If your recorded or streamed videos in OBS Studio are coming out weirdly green, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly fix this green video problem using a couple of essential settings tweaks. By the end, your OBS videos will look crisp and accurate. No more distracting color issues. First up, we're going to check a setting called color range. This is one of those technical options in OBS Studio that sounds complicated, but don't worry. I'll explain exactly what it does and how it affects your video. Go ahead and open OBS Studio, then click on Settings. That's the little gear icon usually down on the right. From here, head over to the Advanced section. Find the video category within those advanced settings. Now, you'll see an option labeled Color Range. Here's where things can get a bit tricky if you're not sure what your monitor or device outputs. Most standard monitors use what's called limited color range, which is perfect for TV or typical PC usage. OBS, however, sometimes defaults to full color range, which is ideal for more high-end setups but can cause all sorts of oddities, including the infamous green video, if your display is only set to limited. Take a moment to check what your monitor or capture device supports. If you're not sure, it's safest to select limited in OBS's color range setting, especially if you've been seeing green video. Simply change the drop-down from full to limited. This syncs OBS's video output with your hardware's expectations, and for most users, this adjustment clears up that green overlay instantly. If you're curious, the green effect is almost like putting tinted glasses on your whole video. Definitely not what you want for gameplay, presentations, or anything you're trying to show off. Let's move on to another troubleshooting step. Sometimes, depending on your computer's graphics hardware and drivers, OBS can struggle with video rendering, and that can contribute to color issues including green video. One solution is to switch OBS to use OpenGL, a different rendering method that's often more compatible with certain setups. Here's how you do that. Find the shortcut you use to open OBS Studio, typically on your desktop or taskbar. Right-click the shortcut and choose Properties. In the window that pops up, look for the field labeled Target. You'll see the file path where OBS is installed. After that path, add a space and type Allow OpenGL. That's 2 dashes, then the words Allow OpenGL. Click Apply and then OK to save those changes. Next, open OBS using that shortcut. Go back into Settings, then Advanced, and you should see an option for video rendering. Change this to OpenGL. This will force OBS to use the OpenGL renderer, which sometimes deals with color management better than the default option, especially if you're using less common graphics cards or older drivers. After making this change, restart OBS and check your video source. Most users notice the green issue is gone, and their video colors look much more natural. And remember, each PC setup is a little bit different, so don't worry if you need to try both these steps before you see a result. Take your time with each adjustment, and if the fix doesn't work right away, double-check your monitor or capture device settings too. That's it. With these 2 proven fixes, the color range adjustment and switching to OpenGL, your green video problems in OBS Studio should be a thing of the past. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if you ran into any tricky parts. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!